All right, good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, and let's see if we have any initial setups right now. Don't see anything across the board. Watching the Home Depot, maybe getting a buy on Home Depot. All right, well, once again, continue to watch RTY, which is going to be our mini Russell, and Q for mini NASDAQ, GC for gold, NG for natural gas, Home Depot, which is going to be HD, and then on our currency pair, Euro US. Okay, I don't see anything here on the indices. Actually, I do got a short here. It's been on for a while, but we do have a short going on gold right now. So let's watch this gold. Short on gold. All right, I've got a short on gold. Let's see. All right, short on gold. Target on this gold is going to be, right now we're at 1661. Target is going to be 1656. This is going to be an HF, what we call an HF1 short. Target 1656. That is going to be our profit target. And if we need to reverse, we'll reverse up here at 68, 1668. Alright, so first play is going to be short this gold here. If we get this gold to bounce up to around 65, that would be another good entry point. Around 1665. We are short, target 1656 on gold. Watching for a possible short coming up on natural gas. Good morning, Glenn. How are you this morning? Possible buy coming up on the mini Russell RTY. Gonna watch. Yeah, let's get an entry on that. Entry on that RTY Russell is going to be up here at 1824. Be a good buy at 1824. Looks like we're getting a trigger buy here also on the mini NASDAQ. Mini NASDAQ. NQ. All right, target is going to be up here at 114.82 and a half. And we'll hold that unless we come down to the 113.70. Looks like we're getting triggered to buy on RTY. Yep, got to buy on RTY right here. Mini Russell. All right, target on that mini Russell will bring me up now to 1829. This is going to be my profit target. 1829. And if I need to reverse, going to bring you down here at 1814. All right, nothing on Home Depot. Watching natural gas, possible short, not there yet. We are long the mini Russell on RTY. We are long NQ, which is going to be the mini NASDAQ. Got short going on gold. This is another entry area on gold for short. Right now, the Dow is poised to go up. Let's see. You're going to probably be up anywhere between 350 to 400 point higher opening on the Dow Jones. Looking at our evening scan, the majority of our stocks that have a pattern set up are biased to the upside. So the overall market tends to be up as well. So once again, we are looking for the Dow to close higher today. The gold once again is a good add-on right here for a short. A little tighter stop of 68. We're sitting at 67, 65. This down moving higher, it's probably going to reverse us on our gold, but we'll just have to wait and see. But right now we are short gold. And we do have indices are long right now. Watching natural gas. See if we get a short on natural gas. Nothing going on the currencies over here. And we have nothing going on Home Depot. Another add-on area down here on the NQ, which is your mini Nasdaq. Add on to that long. The mini Russell is getting closer to target, approaching target. Another 15 minutes to go here before the opening bell. I'm expecting it to open about 3.5 to 400 higher. Gold's creeping up. If we get triggered on this gold, it's going to set us up for an HF1 buy. HF1 buy on gold coming up. If we hit 68, it's at 67.5.
Profit target hit.
All
Reverse
right.
buy.
Okay, reverse buy on gold. Hit target on the mini Russell. So we've got an HF1 buy going on right now on gold. And I do like that. All right, so reversed on gold, went long gold. Let's get a new target. All right, my new target on gold is going to be 1672. Profit target, that's where I exit and take my profit, 1672. And if I need to reverse, it's going to be down here at 1660. Add-on on gold is going to be somewhere around 64 dips. The add-on to a buy. Getting a short now on that natural gas. We are getting a short on that natural gas. All right, let's get target natural gas. All right, target natural gas gonna bring me down to 59.45. All right, 59.45 is gonna be my profit target on gas. This is going to be an HF1 short on gas. If we need to reverse, 60.95. All right, 60.95. Target 59.45. Yeah, Glenn, you were talking about giving your trades room to breathe. You have to give. Problem is, a lot of traders use too tight of a stop, and the key is that you want to use a little bit larger stops. You do want to give. You're going to increase your accuracy, giving yourself a little bit bigger stops compared to your profit targets. If you're hitting profit targets like we do, at least 70% of the time. So if you can hit between 70 and 80% of the time, you want to give yourself a little bit bigger target. You're still going to come out ahead, but you've got to, particularly in the indices, got to give this thing room to breathe. There was a study done a long time ago on targets, and they found, or on stops, they found out that larger stops, you tend to do better. Most of the, when they were trying to automate trading, what they found out is that by using bigger stops, you tend to have better results by using bigger stops than smaller stops. Now, that doesn't mean you can't use trailing stops. You can still use trailing stops. But on your initial setup, you want to use a little bit bigger stop here when you enter the market. And then you can always use a trailing stop. What we do is we have a target that we go for. We have a reversal. So if for some reason we don't hit our target, we will reverse, and that'll provide us with a new target in the other direction. So this is based off of a formula and several what we call behavioral patterns. And we hit our target anywhere between 72 to 80% of the time, depending on the market, before a reversal. So we have pretty good odds we're going to hit our target. But even with those larger stops, we'll still come out ahead because we have that, we're hitting at such a higher rate of, our win rate is so much higher. All right, so right now we are still short natural gas. Add-on point coming in on the mini NASDAQ. Add-on point coming in on the gold. You can add on or establish a new position. Stop remains the same down here. 1660 on gold. 113.70 on the mini NASDAQ. Let's get a, why is it not showing my target on natural gas? Let's go back down here to natural gas. Okay, let me draw a line in there. Once again, that target on natural gas is 59.45. Just going to draw a line in here. Get this. Okay, 59.45 is going to be my target. Put a little green line in there. All right. So reversal is the red line. Green is going to be our profit target. Short is natural gas. Don't see anything going on the currencies. Nothing on Home Depot. All right, so a little bit more than 3 minutes to go before the opening bell. Once again, we are expecting the Dow to open up higher. So now anywhere between, still between 250 to 350, probably somewhere in this area on a higher opening. All right, less than a minute to go before the opening bell. All right, Dow opening up. It's 300 right now, 324. Still long on the mini Nasdaq. Still long gold, short natural gas. Nice add-on area here on natural gas to add to the short. Still on the mini NASDAQ. Still on gold. Short natural gas. Now at 400. All right, still pretty quiet. Still along the mini NASDAQ. Still on gold. Short natural gas. All right, just getting a short now on RTY, getting a short on RTY, which is going to be the mini Russell. Going to use a little bit tighter stop here. All right, let's get a target on this. Target on mini Russell's 1824. And reversal is going to be, comes up to 1839. That would set us up for an HF1 buy. 1839. Dow's up 470. We are still long the gold. Still short natural gas. Still long the mini NASDAQ. A reverse here on this mini NASDAQ. If we do, that's going to be an HF1 short.
Reverse sell.
Just reversed mini NASDAQ. That's going to be an HF1 short. All right, still short the mini Russell. Now we're short US Tech. Still long gold, short natural gas. We'll get a target here on this mini NASDAQ. Okay, target mini NASDAQ. Gonna look for a target of 113.32.5. That's going to be our profit target. 113.32.5. Our reverse comes up to 114.45. Okay, we are in the HF1 short right now on this, on the mini NASDAQ. Got HF1 short on the natural gas, HF1 buy on the gold. Getting a buy on Home Depot now. Getting a buy on Home Depot. Target on Home Depot is going to bring us up to 290, 293.40. That is an HF1 buy on Home Depot. I'll get out of reverse down here at 290.40. All right, we're projecting a dollar move on this Home Depot. $292.39 was the entry on Home Depot. 293.40 is our target. Still short natural gas. Still short the mini Russell. Also short the mini NASDAQ. Long, still on gold. Another good entry point coming up over here on the mini NASDAQ. That was at 348. Like this, another add-on area once again on the RTY mini Russell. short mini Russell. We are short the mini NASDAQ. Holding on long gold, short natural gas, slowly working its way towards target. HF1 buy going on Home Depot with a 293.40 target. And we may have a possible double carried buy coming up over here on the Euro US. Yes, tonight is going to be Crystal Ball trading. We do that every Thursday night. For Crystal Ball is going to be one of my favorite strategies, along with Einstein. It's a scalping strategy, and I use it quite a bit on the currencies: Euro, US, US yen. All right, there we go. Now we're starting to move down lower on RTY and the mini NASDAQ.
Profit target hit. Profit target hit.
Okay, we hit both on RTY and the mini NASDAQ. Still long gold, still short natural gas. Double carried buy coming up on Euro US. Alright, so we're out of RTY. Out of mini NASDAQ. Still on gold though. Still on the gold. Market coming down. It's going to probably pull this gold down too. Still short natural gas. You have that double buy going on. Double carried buy on the Euro US. That's going to be... What is that going to be? I'd prefer to come down to 05. That'd be an 05 buy down here. Or you can buy the 09, 05, either one. Once again, this trade, we won't hold this trade longer than 4 to 5 minutes. So that, we like the double carrots. I prefer double carrot short, but double carrot buys are good. So we got a double carrot buy on the Euro. '05 buy. We can come down to 05. More aggressive would be the 09.
Reverse sell.
That's Home Depot. Home Depot just reversed short. Wow. Now this Home Depot is going to break down to, let's see here. Home Depot now target on the short side is going to be that 289.40. Got the 05 buy going on over here on the Euro. We're sitting at 03. Nice premium on the 05 right now. All right, so still long gold, watching gold here for if we may reverse. Let's see what the Dow's doing. Yeah, Dow's up 240. Let's see here. Still long gold, still short natural gas. Home Depot reversing. Look for a pullback 289.40. Long on the Euro US on the 05. 09 is going to be a more aggressive trade. Okay, so wait and see if Home Depot will come down to 289.40. Excuse me. So it looks like the 05 worked on the Euro. Nice trade on that. 09 more aggressive did not. So flat on the currency. Still on gold. Still short natural gas. And expecting Home Depot to pull back to at least 289.40. Dow is up 263. Once again, we our scan is showing that the probabilities are that we're going to close higher today on the Dow Jones. So we'll see if that is the case. Still on gold. All right, so we are coming up to the top of the hour. So if you're joining us on YouTube and Facebook, thank you again. Please help out the channel by subscribing. Also give us a thumbs up. Let us know that you are enjoying this morning show. First hour is free, and then we continue on with our subscribers after this. We'll continue to watch all these markets, look for setups. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so we can keep you updated on any new videos that are coming out. You can go to my, if you want to get on our mailing list, you can go to my website at innovativetradingstrategies.com. Or if you want to watch more of my videos, I've got a lot of videos out there for the last several years on my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies. Wow, this they're still hitting this, still hitting that mini NASDAQ. All right, so that is gonna do it for today. So right now, where we are, still on gold, short natural gas, wait for Home Depot, hopefully pull back down to 289.40. Then maybe we'll get some buy setups. And that's going to be it for today. So everybody have a good day. Be careful. And those that have an interest in learning more about these strategies, once again, go to my YouTube channel. I do have some nice videos out there regarding Einstein, and also there is one that goes more into depth on my approach to trading, how I look at the markets, and talk a little bit more about these behavioral patterns. All right, y'all be good. We'll see you first thing tomorrow morning. Take care.